Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is AHP AlphaTIG 200X. This is an accurate welding machine of thinner material. It offers both AC and DC output, and it also usable on steel and aluminum material. AHP AlphaTIG 200X can handle 1/4-3 and 3/83 thickness of aluminum and steel respectively. It works in 110V and 220V input power phases. This feature makes it suitable for both heavy and light duty. It is easy to configure the settings of this machine to suit your needs. The AHP AlphaTIG 200X includes a high-frequency no-touch arc start, keeping contamination away from the tungsten electrode. The AHP AlphaTIG 200X has a digital display, and it's backed with a 3-year warranty and includes MIG and TIG torches, a regulator and an electrode clamp. If you are an amateur or an expert welding machine, then AHP AlphaTIG 200DX is meant for you. You only need to know what you require, and it will work correctly for you. Our second best TIG welder is Hobart EZ TIG 165. Three in our list is Lotos LTP5000D, a highly versatile unit that you can use for TIG and stick welding as well as plasma cutting. The quality of this unit is on par with other products that feature the same power output and amperage range. The feature that makes this one unique, however, is the wide range of welding applications that it has to offer. The plasma cutter is ideal for casual and light industrial use, as it delivers a dual voltage capability of 220V 110V. Unfortunately, it only delivers a DC output, but this allows for cutting and welding of steel up to 3/4 thick. Lotos plasma cutter owners are generally vocal about this unit's amazing capabilities and wide application range. Our fourth pick is EVERLAST PowerARC 160STH. This is a lightweight machine that offers you perfection with an option of 120 and 240V input. The welder is not fit for aluminum welding because of its light-duty modification. It uses IGBT technology, which means that it has a small transformer. The package has other accompaniments like electrode holder, TIG torch, work ground clamp and an argon regulator. The auto-regulated arc force control prevents excessive electrode sticking, giving you a clean and smooth weld. Its adapter allows you to use 2 phases of input power, 120V and 240 volts. You can comfortably select the low voltage for a long duty cycle and the higher voltage for considerably denser thick metals. It weighs 39.6 pounds only and comes with an easy to carry shoulder strap. It measures 20x 12.5x 13.5 inches. The readings are on a digital display which gives you a precise current setting option. Last in our list is Lincoln Electric 200. This Let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Josh with Lincoln Electric, and today I'm going to show you exactly what you can expect with your new Square Wave TIG 200. Let's start by opening up the box. Whole bunch of accessories. Let's get these out and take a look at what we have. Looks like nice TIG torch, pretty flexible hose, comes with all the expendables. There's even tungsten in there. Flex head, that's pretty nice. Pretty nice torch for an entry-level machine. Couple of input cords, one for 120. This one's for 230, so I can plug it in anywhere. Nice industrial foot pedal. Foot amp troll, that's pretty nice. Gas hose and a Harris regulator. Get that out of the way. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh. Nice instruction guide. There's a quick start guide too. Should make it easy to briefly reference all the things on the machine. What else we got? More boxes. Stick electrode holder, in case I need to do some stick welding. It's already got the twist made end on it. What else? Ah, ground clamp. Pretty decent. Looks about a 10-foot ground clamp. Already has the twist made on it. And the machine. In a minute here, we'll pull the machine out. Box out of here. So there you have it. The new Square Wave TIG 200 comes pretty well loaded. We've got a lot of great videos supporting this machine, so if you want to learn more about its user interface, how to make a great weld with it, or some of its advanced features, check back at www.lincolnelectric.com.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!